Hello everyone and welcome back to another video here at Oramigami where we have fun with paper. Today's video is going to be another origami life hack. We're going to be making a phone stand using origami. The stand's design is really simple. It can be folded in a few minutes and it can hold your smartphone. And if you considered using something a little bit thicker than paper, maybe a thin sheet of cardboard, it can hold a book, a tablet, or even a laptop. And after you finish using it, it can be folded neatly. It doesn't take a lot of space. It can even go into your phone cover, so you can take it with you whenever you go or wherever you go. And now I'm gonna show you guys how to fold this simple stand. First, we're going to start with a square piece of paper and we're going to valley fold it in half. We're gonna unfold and then we are going to fold the lower and upper edges down the center. We're gonna do the other side. We're gonna unfold and then we're gonna flip it over. And now we are going to valley fold the lower edge to the first crease here. And then we're going to mountain fold on the crease made in the previous step. And now we are going to repeat that 3 more times. Valley fold to the next crease. And then mountain fold on that crease. Valley fold to the next crease. And then mountain fold. And finally, valley fold. The next step is going to be forming our stand. And to do so, we have one thing to keep in mind, that our model should lay flat on any surface it stands on. And to do that, I'm going to consider this line to be that surface. And my stand would have an inclination of about 30 degrees. I'm gonna start by forming the back section, but I'm gonna keep a few centimeters for the front section underneath the surface. So something like this. And then to form the back section, I'm gonna take this edge and valley fold it so it lays flat on the surface. And I'm going to set a crease right there. I'm gonna unfold it and then I'm going to score that crease so it would be creased in all the layers of the model. So I'm gonna score it on this side like this, and then using a pencil I'm going to mark it on the other side as well. And I'm going to crease it. Then I'm going to open the model up, and on the creases I just scored, I'm going to mount and fold them, while at the same time reverse folding all the creases from the intersection to the edge. So this one was a mountain fold, it's going to be a valley fold, and vice versa for all the others. So we start by folding the paper down like this. It would make it easier for us to start folding. And like I told you before, we mount and fold the creases we just made, while reverse folding the other layers. So this is the first one. And the second one. And the final one right here. And we flatten everything out. With that, our back section is formed, and now we go back to our line and we lay it flat like this, and now we're gonna form the front section, so it would lay flat as well. So we make our crease, we unfold, and we score. On the first side, and using a pencil we mark the other side as well. And then we score the other side. Like in the previous step, we're gonna open everything up and we are going to mount and fold these while reverse folding these creases from the intersection to the edge. So we start from this one, this is the first one, and this is the second one. The next. And the final flap. We flatten everything out. And with this, we form the front section, and the whole model is finished. And as you can see, it lays flat, and that's it. And if you guys want to make your stand from cardboard instead of paper, it's the same thing. You just need to score all your creases instead of only the ones for the back and front section. And that was it for today. I hope that this video was useful for you guys, and if you enjoyed it, please like, share, and consider subscribing to the channel. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next one.